beep. Okay. Goodbye. I have the hiccups. Hello. This is my mom.
Oh, Leah.
Okay. So today we're going to do my science lab, and you're my test subject. We have alcohol, tissues, a stethoscope, and a stopwatch. Introduction. In this lab, you will use a stethoscope to listen to the sounds of your heart. Using alcohol and a tissue, clean the earplugs of the stethoscope. I already did that. The earplugs should always be cleaned with alcohol and a tissue before they're put into your ears or of the ears of another person. Whenever you put the earplugs of the stethoscope into your ears, be sure the diaphragm of the stethoscope does not tap against any hard object. The sound made by tapping a button or a tablecloth can be very loud and can damage your ears. I know, I already had that happen. Okay. The first procedure is place the earplugs of the stethoscope into your ears. Place the diaphragm of the stethoscope on another person's cheek and ask them to chew. Here's a saltine. Chew.
You're gonna put it on my cheek? Kind of stale.
What are you guys doing?
Does it sound as good as I imagine?
No, doesn't sound good at all.
Yeah, I mean,
Can you take?
You know one of those like stress ball thingies, like squishy stress ball thingies?
Yeah.
But they like, some of them have like that rubber inside, and so they crunch together, and it makes like this, but like nastier. That's what your mouth sounds like. Now listen to the sounds of their heart. Place the diaphragm of the stethoscope on the center of their chest and listen carefully. I have the hiccups. It sounds like a heart. Okay, determine how fast your heart beats while you're sitting quietly. Sit quietly for about 5 minutes before doing this exercise. Well, we've kind of already been doing that. You haven't been doing anything. Use the stethoscope to count the number of times your heart beats in 15 seconds. Multiply by 4 the number times your heart beats in 15 seconds. This number will tell you how many times your heart beats per minute. Record this amount in each table. I was going 70 and you were going,
Now my heart rate's up because I think you can't do math.
Yes, there should be a difference between your heart rate and your pulse rate, but no, it shouldn't be the same. That's the same thing. I just said the same thing in just 2 different phrases. You know what?